Welcome to Helpful Solution. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if JBL headphones not turning on. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow: charge the battery. For this purpose, you have to connect the headphones to a reliable power source using the original cable. Charge for at least 2 hours. Look for charging indicators. Inspect charging cable. Examine the cable for fraying, bent connectors or other damage. Try using a different compatible USB cable and power adapter to rule out faults. Perform a soft reset. Press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons simultaneously for 15 seconds. Release the buttons and press the power button to reset. Check the power button. Inspect the power button for damage or if it's stuck. Press it multiple times to ensure responsiveness. If unresponsive, professional repair might be needed. Replace the battery. Older headphones may have a degraded battery that no longer holds a charge. Contact JBL Sport or visit an authorized service center for battery replacement. Contact JBL Sport. For this purpose, you have to visit JBL Sport website for guidance. Inquire about warranty options or authorized repair centers. Sport can provide tailored solutions. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.